Click on the link below to get price. The 12L per day dehumidifier is a remarkable addition to any home that struggles with humidity issues. This compact unit combines efficiency with convenience, making it an ideal solution for managing moisture levels in various spaces such as basements, bathrooms, and bedrooms. With a 2-liter water tank, it efficiently extracts up to 12 liters of moisture daily, ensuring that areas prone to dampness remain comfortable and dry. One standout feature of this dehumidifier is its intelligent humidity control system. This technology allows the unit to automatically detect current humidity levels and adjust its operations accordingly. Users can set their desired humidity percentage, and the machine will work diligently to maintain it, turning on and off as needed. This not only enhances comfort but also saves energy, making it an eco-friendly option that won't lead to soaring electricity bills. Noise levels are often a concern with appliances like these, but this dehumidifier operates almost silently. Its quiet fan ensures that it can run unobtrusively in the background, allowing users to enjoy a peaceful environment. Whether you're sleeping or working, the noise won't be a distraction. The portability of this unit is another advantage. Weighing relatively little and equipped with a convenient handle, it's easy to move from one room to another. The sleek design means it can fit into various decors without being an eyesore. The dehumidifier's 2-liter water tank is a practical size, allowing for ample moisture collection before needing to be emptied. It features an automatic shut-off feature, ensuring that it won't overflow if left unattended. Overall, this 12L/day dehumidifier is an impressive blend of technology, efficiency, and user-friendliness. Whether dealing with persistent humidity or simply wanting to enhance indoor air quality, it proves to be a valuable investment for healthier living spaces.